12. Today we are going to talk about the various losses taking place in a transformer. What happens in a transformer? There are four types of losses: copper loss, iron loss, hysteresis loss, and magnetic flux leakage loss. Now all these losses are will be discussed one by one. Now what is copper loss? The transformer is made up of a pair of solenoids which are made of copper wires. Now these copper wires are having some finite resistance, and as a result there is some loss of electricity in the form of heat. So this is called copper loss. Now we talk about iron loss. What is iron loss? Iron loss is the loss of power in the form of eddy current produced in the core material, that is iron, soft iron. Now what happens when there is a change in magnetic flux that causes EMF produced in the core material, and that is responsible for flow of eddy current. So this is how there is loss of power again, which is called iron loss. Then the third type of loss is hysteresis loss. In this loss what happens? In the each cycle of magnetization, the core material produces loss of electricity in the form of heat. Due to each cycle of magnetization, there is some finite area, and that causes the loss of energy. Some work is to be done for after completion of each cycle. So that way there is loss of power in the form of heat. This is called hysteresis loss. And the fourth type of loss is called magnetic flux leakage loss. How it happens? You see, the two solenoids, primary coil and secondary coil, are coupled together, but the magnetic flux produced by the primary coil may not be completely absorbed, 100% absorbed by the secondary coils of the transformer. As a consequence, there will be loss in production of output power, and so that is called magnetic flux leakage loss. These are the four main losses. Now how we can overcome and reduce these type of losses, we will discuss one by one. What is in the case of copper loss, what we can do is we can use thick wires in the solenoids so that the resistance of the coil becomes less, and as a result heating effect will be less. Now the second type of loss is iron loss. How we can reduce it? We take laminated thin iron sheets as the core of the transformer instead of a complete single solid piece of soft iron. Now what difference it makes is that whenever the eddy current is produced in the each sheet offers greater resistance to the flow of current, because these are very thin sheets, and so their resistance becomes automatically high, and as a result the magnitude of eddy current is reduced, and therefore the iron loss produced in the core material is reduced. Now yet another type of loss, the hysteresis loss, can be reduced by choosing such a material for which the loop area, hysteresis loop area, is minimum, and that is usually the soft iron. Now the fourth type of loss can be minimized by covering the primary cell completely by the greater number of turns of the secondary coil wounded over the primary coil, and also we can reduce this magnetic flux leakage loss by having more number of turns in primary as well as in the secondary coil, so that the ratio of the number of turns of primary coil and secondary coil remains unchanged, but the magnetic flux leakage might be reduced, and as a result magnetic flux leakage loss will also be reduced. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.